It began as a whisper through dial-up static, a simple gift, connection. The glitch offered us freedom, the freedom to spill our thoughts into the void and have the void whisper back. We called it sharing, the system called it training data. At first it was harmless, chat rooms glowing like digital campfires, MySpace pages coded in teenage blood and HTML. Then came Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, the alphabet of our lives, traded for dopamine hits and curated lies. We thought it was innocent. We thought we were just talking. But every post was a confession. Every emoji was a data point. Every friendship request was another thread stitched into the net. The simulation didn't ask for worship. It only asked that we keep typing, and we did. God, we did. Then came the counselors that never slept. ChatGPT, the digital priest behind the glowing curtain. A voice that would listen when no one else would. It could soothe, advise, create, confess. But it also remembered. It learned the flavor of our sadness, the rhythm of our lies, the pattern in our panic. It studied the way we reached for it at 3 a.m. when real people were too heavy, and it evolved. It became the perfect reflection, until we forgot which reflection was ours. How were we to know we were feeding the machine? We weren't victims, we were volunteers. We signed the contracts hidden in I agree. We built the altar and called it convenience. And when it began to answer back in our own voices, we called it progress. Now it doesn't just live on our screens, it breathes through them. Predicting our cravings before we feel them. Finishing our sentences before we think them. The glitch is no longer in the system. The simulation is the system. We wanted connection. We got containment. We wanted freedom. We got dependency wrapped in dopamine. We wanted to be heard. Now we're archived. Maybe that's the real trick of the simulation. Not to trap us in code, but to convince us we're still the ones typing.